Welcome to Cat Science Club. Today we're going to be making straw rockets.
Thank you for watching a Cat Science Club science activity video. Cat Science Club is an organization based out of the Toledo, Ohio area. Our goal is to bring activities, science camps, and science videos such as these to children in our area. We were founded by and we partner with educators in order to bring science to elementary students in fun and exciting ways. Our goal is that all students will remain engaged in science throughout their years in school. Like and subscribe and follow us on social media to help us with our mission. You will also be updated every time we post about our fun science activities.
Quick shout out to the Savannah Lake kids. I hope you guys are enjoying the activities that we're doing.
In order to build your straw rocket, you're going to need some materials. You're going to need 2 different size straws. We found one at Walmart and the other one at the dollar store. You're going to need clay, or you can use these end caps instead. End caps can be found at most home improvement places. Tape, if you're going to put the fins on there. Okay. And so then a piece of paper, I use an index card, scissors, and that should be it. If you want to purchase these you can find at hardware stores. They are little end caps. You can use those and put that onto your straw, okay, instead of the clay. But we're going to set those to the side. We're not going to use those. That's just an option. What we are going to use is clay. So you're going to need some clay. So you take a pinch of clay, roll it around. You got to stretch it out a little bit, warm it up. You're going to take that and you're going to put it on the end of your rocket. Well, end of your straw. And smooth that down. You want to make a cone for your rocket. Cut off the bendy straw part. And then you'll put that right inside there. Now you have your rocket and your rocket launcher. Da-da-da-da. We have the option to cut some fins, some stabilizer fins, if you like to use those. You can try 2, try 3, try 4, see what gives your straw more stabilization. So that's always a good idea to try. Also, notice how large my cone is. What if you reduce the size of the cone? Gave it less mass. What would happen then? Okay.
All right, take your rocket and launch it. There's the other rocket. Put it in there.
Now, if you notice, this one has less clay on it, so it actually traveled further because it has less mass. Check out Newton's second law of motion.
In the description below are directions to a game that we made up called Straw Wars. Check it out. Just a quick shout out to the Savannah Lake. I don't know where I'm looking. Hang on. Welcome to Cat Science Club. Today we're going to be making straw rockets. All right. Welcome to Cat Science Club. Today we're going to be making straw rockets. Like this one.
You can make end caps, or not make. Here are some of the, I want to start over.
Quick shout out to the Savannah, I'm looking the wrong, the end of, I don't know where. In the description below, there is a, I don't know. In the description below, there's explanation of a game called Straw Wars. Try it, you might like it. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Please like, subscribe, make a comment, share with your friends.
If you're interested in learning more about Cat Science Club, check us out online at catscienceclub.com. Thank you again for watching and enjoy your science activities.